Just dive into one of the most important and efficient modules, the tasks module. If you click here, you will see you have add a task and all tasks. Now, for allotting a task to somebody, uh, obviously the team member has to be already recorded here. So if you have an employee, you can allot tasks to that employee. So if we go to add a task here, you see, for example, to add a task, you go to add task, the task name. Let's say the task name is task one, and you want to give a due date for that task. And let's say you choose this date as due date. The status is by default open. You can choose the priority of the task. Let's say this is very high priority task. You want to choose the client as well. Here you have to choose the employee. So let's say we have one employee called as Mr. Deepak Mishra. We have allotted this task. Then he will report this task to who? You need to choose that. Then client. So we have one client added here in our uh, client database. So we choose the client. Then whether the task is going to be a recurring task or it is a daily task, weekly task, monthly task, you want to mention that. Let's say we say this is just a one-time task. Whether he can delegate the task to other team members or not, you can choose that. So, for example, if Mr. Deepak Mishra is allowed to give this task to somebody else, or maybe uh, take create subtasks for this task, so you can do that. For now, we're just saying no. Task description. You have to write what kind of task this is, etc., and guidelines for the task. How do you carry out the task? So once you've done that, you create a task. It gets created in open tasks. You will see the task as task one out here. And the reason this is coming way below is because the due date for this is later on, because the tasks are sorted here based on the due dates. Now, because we assigned this task to Mr. Deepak Mishra, let's see if it shows up on Deepak Mishra's portal, and how will Deepak Mishra uh, sign in to his dashboard of Card. So, as we've already explained, if you see Deepak Mishra is an employee, if you go to all employees, you'll see Deepak Mishra here. And Deepak Mishra has been registered with this email ID. And when we when we added the team member, at that moment we gave a password as well. So while recording Deepak Mishra as an employee, we chose a password for Deepak Mishra. Now that password is exactly the password that he uses to sign in to his car dashboard. Now let me just show you how you can, as an employee, how Deepak Mishra can sign in. This is his email ID. The password we kept here is 123456. And if you open up, Deepak Mishra can see that he's been allotted a task, which is this. Now, Deepak Mishra can change the status of the task once he has done something and all that. So maybe he can put this in progress. So the moment he puts it in progress, he can move it to in progress. If he wants to add something to this task, he can do that, and you will see all the details here. Correct. Now we'll see if this task one, is also showing in progress in the main admin dashboard. So let's just log out from here. Management, you will see that the task that Deepak Mishra moved to in progress is in progress over here as well. So here you have all the fields. For example, you can choose task by titles, assignees, descriptions, or you will have all the tasks. Everything that is a backlog will go in a backlog, in priority, and all of that. So you can also view the task based on priorities. You can view the task based on team members. You have all the fields to choose from here, and that's how you can manage your tasks quite efficiently.